Hello students, in this video I want to show you the verbs that end with the letter K. And they are part of the T group, the most important group. So again, take your time, pause the video and train your voice, train your accent, alright? Take it easy and go slow. This is so important just to give this good foundation for the future, because this group is generally the most difficult group, alright? Let's go. So again, this group is the most important. It's the one where the ED has the sound of a T. Stopped, asked, missed, etc. Now, if we look at these verbs, and these are the 8 most common verbs that end with K, if you look here at the end, it all ends with the letter K. Now, one exception you can see is like, right? That ends with an E, but it has the T sound. Now, when we are training our accent, when we are learning, I want you to understand a little concept of the drum beat. What do I mean? Dun, tss, dun, dun, tss, dun, dun, tss, dun, dun, tss. Can you do that? Do you think I'm crazy? I'm not. Dun, tss, dun, dun, tss. Because with the drum beat, we have the D, dun, 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 and the T, tss, tss, tss. Because these letters can be very different in different languages. But what you must understand is that dun, dun is very clear dun, not jin, jin or jun or anything. It's dun. And the T is a ts, ts. It's really just the tip of the tongue, just right there on the top of the mouth. Ts, ts, ts. Not ch, ch or ch or ts. It's ts. So try dun, ts, dun, dun, ts, dun, dun. Can you do it? Dun, ts, dun, dun, ts. Okay? So here's an example of what you need to do. You have the verb look. You can see the letter K is the last letter. We add the ED because it's a regular verb. And we don't pronounce looked, but looked. Looked. Now remember, 2 steps. Work with me. Look, looked. Look, looked. Always in 2 steps to train your accent correctly now. So let's train together. Look, looked. Work, worked. Talk, talked. Ask, asked. Ask is a special case, a special verb, and in the next video we're going to see all about the verb to ask, okay? Like, liked. So again, like, liked. Check, checked. Attack, attacked. Walk, walked. Always 2 steps, my friends. This is the secret. Remember, it's the letter before the ED that influences the pronunciation. So let's train now some nice simple examples. I want you to listen and repeat, pausing if you need to give yourself time, but always listening and repeating and training your accent in these practice sessions. Ready? Where did you work before this job? I worked at a bank in my home city. I worked at a bank in my home city. Have they ever worked with this software before? Have they ever worked with this software before? Yes, they've worked with it extensively. They've worked with it extensively. Where did he look for his keys? He looked everywhere. He looked everywhere. Did they have time to check all the details? Yes. Yeah, they checked absolutely everything. They checked absolutely everything. Okay guys, that ends this video with the verbs that end with the letter K. The next video is a special video because we're going to dedicate time just to the verb ask. Not just about its pronunciation, but the correct prepositions and the correct way to use it. All right? Extremely important verb, and it's a verb a lot of people have problems with. See you there, my friends.